Right now I'm just heating up lunch. Here we go, Hoover Dam. Oh my gosh! What? We are crossing the Hoover Dam. This is so cool. So much history here. We're gonna go park and get out and walk over the dam. It is so impressive. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I wanted to stop. I wanted to go to the Grand Canyon, but one of the really cool things about driving is you're just able to hit these little hidden gems, and honey, I'm happy.
This isn't hidden.
I This is tall. This is tall. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. Ah! Sam, stop.